From here, you can discover which videos are currently trending on YouTube, which videos are getting the most views, and which topics you can create content around to attract more views. First, select your target country. For this demonstration, I'm choosing the United Kingdom. Next, choose your preferred channel category. Here you'll see 199 trending videos. For each video, you can view important metrics such as views, likes, and comments. If you click Compare, you can see the countries where that video is currently trending. For example, this video is only trending in the United Kingdom. Now, if you select another video, you'll notice that it is trending in multiple countries. This helps you identify videos with global reach. In the New Uploads Today section, you can discover videos that were uploaded today and are already gaining popularity. The Drop Today section shows videos that have fallen out of the trending list today. The Biggest Jump This Week section highlights videos that have made the largest increase in ranking during the current week. At the moment, there are no videos with the biggest jump for the United Kingdom. If we switch the country to the United States, you'll see that there are 2 videos with the biggest jump this week. You can also use the Fastest Growing section to find the videos that are gaining popularity the fastest this week. Finally, the Top Channels section shows the channels that are currently performing the best.